30 feet in length. Wiring kit for maintaining or rewiring your trailer. Wishbone design allows 2 brown wires to be run to each tail light. Corrosion-resistant terminals. Easy to use and install. Hopkins Manufacturing Corporation makes your towing experience simpler and more rewarding through innovation and value. Hopkins offers a variety of towing solutions including vehicle wiring kits, adapters, vehicle and trailer connectors, breakaway systems and much more. Today, more than 40% of retail category sales are generated from Hopkins innovations. Top reviews from the United States. Good wiring. This was the thicker wire, unsure what gauge, and the ground wire was thicker than the rest of them. I found it a higher quality wiring harness than the made-in-China harness that was available at the local trailer store. I would buy again. I wired a 6 by 12 foot utility trailer and had to cut off about 6 feet of wire. So for my application the wiring was plenty long.